When I come up to Vermeer to see my baler being built, the factory, everybody was efficient and everything was running smooth. The way they built the baler, it was just something to see. It was something different. Amazed at how they made the parts and how clean it was. The machines they had in there to stamp out all the metal for it, and just the machining that went into building the baler, it was quite an undertaking. My perspective will be a lot different running this baler than it was any other baler, just seeing it built and everything that went into it.
Well, for years we used House Chalmers rotor-baler, and of course there was a lot of people you had to hire to help haul it in, and it took a lot of time and didn't get over near as much ground as it could with the big ground baler, the Vermeer. How can you complain about something that lasted you over 20 years? Never give you much trouble, so I baled quite a bit of hay with it.